Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Global markets are on edges this week. US stock index futures are stabilizing. European stocks are covering after days of steep decline, and all eyes are locked on Nvidia earning report. A release that could set the tone for Wall Street and the AI revolution. As of pre-market trading Wednesday, Dow Jones futures rose 0.08%. S&P 500 futures gained 0.09%. Nasdaq futures added 0.10%. In European stock steadied after heavy selling pressure. Germany DAX climbed 0.30%. France SAC 40 led with 0.47 gain percent. UK's STAF's 100 barely moved higher, while the Euro Stoxx 600 rose 0.20%. Snapping two straight days of losing, French equities in particular bounced back after political unrest drove sharp sell-offs earlier this week. Nvidia shares ticked up 0.5% in pre-market trading ahead of its highly anticipating earnings report later today. Nvidia is not just another company. It's the heartbeat of AI trade. It has led the market rebound since April briefly crossed $4 trillion in market cap in July, and its results are now seen as a barometer for AI investment, market sentiment, and even geopolitics. Analytics accept Nvidia reports to determine the short-term direction of risk assessed has most short-term direction for risk assessed has Mohit Kumar of Jefferies stated. Today's focus is squarely on Nvidia. Its result will set the tone for global risk asset. We remain the optimists on tech. AI is still in the early stages of its business cycle, but unsteadily remains particularly around Nvidia China business. The US government has restricted chip export to China on national security ground. Beijing is pushing domestic customers toward alternative sleepers, and options traders are pricing into potential swings of up to $60 billion in Nvidia market's value following the report. Kale Rhoda of Capital.com summed it up best: just as Apple once defined the smartphone era, Nvidia has defined the AI era. Whatever or not you know on Nvidia stock, its result will ripple through your portfolio. At the same time, politics are weighing on markets. Presidents Trump's push to remove Fed Governor Lisa Cook has raised fresh questions over the Federal Reserve's independence. The dollar rose 0.3% on Tuesday, recovering losses tied to this concern. Treasury yield have studies. The 10-year sit at 4.26%, while the 2-year has dropped to its lowest since May. Markets are also pricing in an 84% chance of a September rate cut after Jerome Powell's dovish comments at Jackson Hole last week. Meanwhile, in commodities, good pulled back 0.3% after hitting a two-week high. Oil prices slipped 0.4% with the parent crude trader near $66.94 and VTI at $62.99. Has trader reached the new US tariffs on India and ongoing uncertainty in Ukraine. So the stage inside Nvidia's earning won't just move one stock, they could move the entire market from AI investment trends to US China trade tensions. This single report may decide whatever Wall Street keeps climbing or faces another correction. What do you think? Will Nvidia numbers fuel the next leg of AI bloom or signal that the hype is cooling off? Let me know your thought in the comments. And as always, if you find this breakdown useful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.